Just me taking the crown. I did a lot, they changing the style to do what I did. They making me proud. I'm making them free. I got a lot to achieve. They wanna stop, believe. People are looking at me. It couldn't be. Better believe. This is my moment.
Hello, Dream Makers Worldwide! This is it. Ito na po ang ating pinakahihintay. Big night gathering ng mga leaders, diamonds, and partners ng Dream Makers Worldwide.
Hello, Live Good family! Ito po ang ating Dream Makers Worldwide event, no? Team Breakthrough.
Bakit tayo nandito? This is for you guys, para sa inyo to. Ito yung hirap at pagod na ginawa nyo for the past few months. This is for you, para sa inyo pong lahat ito.
So binabati ko po lahat ng mga kapamilya natin dito sa Live Good, saan mang sulok ng daigdig, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Alam ko pong excited na kayo na masaksihan ang ating napakagandang event.
Manifest. This